Sirikal Kaunti ma Busia ochungo donjo mag nyamburko mag loche madongo nyaka tim lalruok ewi chudo mag omenda mag kuonde chungo nyamburko go e kaunti ma Busia. Gavana ma Busia Paul Otuoma otimo romo kod jotend riwruok ma Kenya Transporters Association kuma owacho ni joriemb nyamburko go pod biro chulo omenda mag kuonde chungo nyamburko go madongo go e kaunti ma Busia. Maeri biro bang'e chak juma ni joriemb nyamburko go nobago ng'anyo tok ka tend sirikal kaunti ma Busia nokelo chik ma chulo omenda maromo siling 400 ne kuonde chungo geche makamago.
For now, we have engaged and will continue to engage and even bring on board more stakeholders. And one of the agreements that we have at least had is that for the county to allow further consultation, we put on hold the law on the issue of the entry fee for now, but we allow that parking fee within the municipality has to be paid. And the county will also strive to provide services, the immediate ones that can be done. Some will be long-term ones, especially the ones of having the trailer parks. But the immediate ones is the issues of ensuring sound environmental hygiene in the municipality, providing for sanitation services, making sure that emergency services, especially where dangerous cargo like fuel trucks and all that, that we will enhance our disaster response team and put ready even more fire brigades and ambulances where these kind of trucks are, provide more marshals, provide security, street lighting, and for immediate measures that we have put in. And for that, the parking fee will be charged. But on the issue of entry fee, that we are putting on hold.
We will support the county government because we need them. They are uniquely placed because they are a border point, and they also need to collect revenue. And our only issue was we think that the revenue should be correctly should be collected in a way that is fair and for services that have been provided.
Erokamano kuom medo kete Ramogi TV wamedo